Do you want to go in the pool?
Want to go in the pool?
Let's go in the pool.
Quick video. Look at the sky.
The sky's cool right there.
Totally amazing.
Mira el cielo, mira. Wow.
You see that?
You see the sky? There's mommy.
Oh, so cute.
Mommy, there's mommy. There's mommy. You gonna go in the pool?
Beautiful right now.
¿Quieres caminar? Mira. Wow, she's totally walking.
She's good.
Not walking, but like...
Keaton really just takes charge and starts showing her these things. I'm always like, I don't know if she's ready.
Well, Zephyr worried that they were gonna shoot, the baby was gonna have bow legs if she did it too early because she read that, but then she looked it up and they said that wasn't true.
If she has bow legs, she'll just get horsies.
Wow! Wow!
Okay, we're gonna go in the pool.